Hey Ken, so I got this attachment from you and couldn't figure out for a few seconds what the problem was. The print it looked fine, and then I realized, oh, it's got 12 pages instead of one page. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You're right. It's a print. It's a print thing. Okay, so here's your layout page here. Go to File, Print, Page Setup. And this happens because when we give files back and forth, you don't have the same printers as me, and so Chief will just pick up your system default printer, and so what you have to do is go to File, the Print, Page Setup, and start one. Here's the Page Setup dialog box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start right at the top. You select your printer. You just click on this button, drop your menu down, and select the printer, your PDF creator. Okay, mine is Adobe PDF. And then you go to 2, and you select the paper size that you want. Now, you have all these choices, but Architectural D, in this case, is the one we want. And Landscape, and then number 3, select the drawing sheet. Architectural D, Landscape. Show drawing sheet, that allows you to show the piece of paper. If you turn that off, you wouldn't see the paper. And make sure that when you print your layout's a piece of paper, so it's a full scale drawing. 1 inch equals 1 inch. And then this should always say that. And then say OK. And then you can actually go to print, which you can either do here, File, Print, Print. Okay, or just use the tool there, Print. Once you have your default set up, you can use that tool, okay, because it takes you right to the print dialog box. And it just picks up whatever settings are current in that print page setup box. So then you just want to print current page. You want to print in color, which is you're creating the PDF. So you want to create the PDF in color, and then when you actually print the hard copy from the PDF, that's when you print in grayscale. Okay, and just make sure this is selected to scale 1:1. It should be, because that's what was selected in the page setup and current page. Then you get a place to then you have to name it and assign it. And we'll just put it into Carlisle. See, what did you have that PDF named? We'll just keep it the same name here. Retaining wall details. Okay, so I'll just do that here. Okay, retaining wall details, and then I always add a date to the end of the file name, because you're probably making this again for some other job, and this is just a quick way to say okay, and get the very latest one that you have. If you notice, all my PDFs have a date on them. Okay, and then we save it. And there's your PDF. Now, in Adobe, in your PDF reader, I don't know if yours works the same way, but if you just take your cursor and move it off the page, you get a little pop-up down here that tells you what page it is. And so, of course, you'll be having a print service print this page. So I think that should cover it. If you got any questions, just ask me.